So hello everyone, now I am going to prove my second lecture. I already told you in my previous lecture amperes, integral and differential form of amperes law. But in this lecture I am going to prove magnetic field inside the solenoid by using amperes law. So let's see. So first of all I am going to write the actual equation of amperes law, that is equal B dot dr, that is equals to mu naught I. So dear student, here I already make the picture of solenoid. Literally I am going to construct this, that is the magnetic field inside the solenoid. In physics we compare the magnetic field equals to B, and these are the turns, that is equals to n turns of the solenoid. But here we are going to prove the magnetic field inside the solenoid. Here I am using to make the ampere loop. Literally we write here by considering ampere loop. So I am going to draw the rectangular form of ampere loop here, that is A, B, C and D. I gave the name of both the sides of this ampere loops. Now, and there is different angles becoming here, that is the flat, so our cos theta, that is equals to 0 here, that is perpendicular to each other side AB, that is cos 90 degree, and this one equals to CD, that is cos 180 degree, and the remaining term same as it is before, that is also perpendicular, so here we write cos 90 degree. And now we are going to replace this in this form. So first of all I am going to use it as an interval. So first of all I am choosing the interval of AB. So the interval of AB, that is B dot cos 0 degree, because that is in the plane, this AB in the plane form, so here we just choose the 0 degree angle, that is cos 0 degree, and the interval goes to AB, that is equal to dr, plus again we are going to write BC, that is B C, and this is equals to B dot cos 90 degree. So vice versa we are going to use the next, that is CD, this is cos 180 degree into dr, then again this, that is also 90 degree, so this is AD cos 90 degree into dr, that is equals to mu naught I. So well guys, we know that in my since position here I am going to write cos 0 degree, that is equals to 1, and cos 90 degree, that is equals to 0. Similarly cos 180 degree, that is equals to minus 1. So here we just replace their values. I actually write in the working form to for the easiest of the students. So here I am going to replace their angles. So cos 0 degree we know that that is equals to 1, so the remaining term B dot dr, A into B. So whole the term will goes to vanish, because if we replace these 0 inside the terms, that will change into vanish, and this is B out, because outside the magnetic field is 0. Actually we are going to calculate the magnetic field inside the solenoid, so that's why this term is goes to 0, this term is as well goes to 0, this is as well goes to 0, because 90 degrees equals to 0 degree. So our remaining term is only this, that is equals to mu naught I. I already told you that here I take this small loop of the length, that is AB, this is equals to H. So we know that this B is constant, we will take outside from the sign of integral, and that is dr A into B and mu naught I. So in place of this whole term, that is equals to H. This is equals to H. So we are going to replace this whole term here. So BH, that is equals to mu naught I, and that is equation number 1. So first of all we write the current. So N current in the solenoid, that is equals to I naught, NH current inside the solenoid, that is NI naught. So we combinedly write the current, that is equals to NH I naught, and I equals to this one, this is equation number 2. So we are going to put the value of equation number 2 and equation number 1. So here I am going to replace this value in equation number 1, that is BH mu naught I. So in place of I we are going to put this value here, that is BH, that is equals to mu naught NHI. This I is here in the multiplication form. We will bring this in the left hand side, sorry, right hand side, and that will change into division. So B, that is equals to mu naught NHI over H. That will be cancelled out with the upper value. The denominator should be cancelled with the same value. So here the remaining term B is equals to mu naught Ni, and that is the magnetic field inside the solenoid. That is the magnetic field inside the solenoid. So well dear student, in the next lecture inshallah I will told you the magnetic field outside the solenoid. I hope you will get it. Thank you.